Today we're going to show you how to make a Madras. A Madras is a very easy classic drink to make. I see it as a combination of a screwdriver and a Cape Cod together. We're going to start with 1 ounce of vodka. We're using Tito's vodka in this case. And then we're going to put even amounts of orange juice and cranberry juice. Try to pour them as evenly as possible. We're going to finish up with orange slice garnish and a straw. We're going to show you another presentation that we recommend for a better look. We already put 1 ounce of vodka in it, and now we're going to put even amounts of cranberry and orange. But we're going to put the orange juice first, and then the cranberry slowly on top, trying to keep the juices separated the whole time. The drink will look a little bit better with the two colors balancing each other in the drink. But here is the look. Let me show you some pictures of this drink. Thank you, and I'll see you with the next drink.